Hey everyone, welcome back to English Versa.
Hey guys, I'm Ethan, and today we're going to talk about something simple but super important for daily English.
That's right. We're learning how to write and speak about your daily routine. Not like a textbook, but like a real natural English speaker.
Exactly. Whether you're writing a short paragraph or talking to a friend, your introduction can make a big difference in how natural you sound.
And today we'll show you how to do it step by step with emotion and clarity.
So grab your notebook or just listen along, and let's make your English sound alive.
Okay, Ethan, let's start with the basics. When most people describe their daily routine, they usually begin with something like, my name is, or I wake up at 7 a.m.
Yeah, and while that's correct, it can sound a little robotic.
Exactly. Let's make it feel more natural. Try something like dash dash. Hi, I'm Ethan. Let me share what a normal day looks like for me.
Or even dash dash. Every day looks a little different for me, but here's how my usual morning goes.
Yes, or this one. Let me take you through a typical day in my life.
That's how native speakers start. It sounds friendly, real, and confident.
And when you say it, don't read it like a line from a book. Speak as if you're telling a story to your best friend.
Exactly. Your introduction should invite people in. It's not just words. It's your voice, your tone, your personality. All right, now let's talk about the morning part. Everyone's favorite, or maybe not.
Yeah. Instead of saying, I wake up at 7 a.m., make it sound more real. Try this. I usually wake up around 7, but honestly, I hit the snooze button more than once.
That's so true, and it sounds natural. You can also say, the first thing I do is check my phone. I know, bad habit.
Exactly. Add a bit of emotion. That's what makes it alive.
Then continue naturally. After that, I take a shower, make myself a cup of coffee, and get ready for work.
Or say how you feel. The morning light makes me feel calm and ready for the day.
Adding your feelings, like I feel tired, I feel refreshed, or I feel motivated, makes your English warm and expressive.
Because in English, we don't just describe what we do, we describe how we feel doing it.
Next comes the main part of the day, work or school.
Yes, for students, you could say, I leave for school at 8, classes begin at 9, and I usually meet my friends before the first lesson.
And if you're working, try. I start work around 9 a.m., check my emails, and plan my to-do list for the day.
You can always add a bit of feeling, like, work can get stressful, but I enjoy staying productive.
Or, sometimes I feel tired, but I remind myself why I love what I do.
See, that's the difference between sounding flat and sounding alive.
And don't forget to connect your sentences smoothly. Use linking words like after that, then, later on, finally.
Yes, for example, after lunch, I take a short walk to clear my mind before getting back to work.
or dash, dash. Later in the afternoon, I usually grab a coffee and catch up with my team.
That's beautiful, natural English, simple, emotional, and easy to follow. The evening. My favorite time of the day.
Same here. You can say something like, I get home around 6 p.m., take a quick shower, and enjoy dinner with my family.
Or dash dash. In the evening, I love watching a movie or listening to music to relax.
If you want to make it sound more expressive, add your emotions. Evenings help me slow down and feel grateful after a busy day.
That's so true. You can also end with something thoughtful. Before sleeping, I like to reflect on my day and plan for tomorrow.
That's how you make your daily routine sound like a story, not just a list of things you do.
Exactly. Because English isn't just a language. It's a way to connect with your life and express who you are. So there you have it. A natural, expressive way to write and speak your daily routine in English.
Don't just say the actions, share the feelings behind them. That's what makes your English powerful.
Now tell us in the comments, what's your favorite part of your day? Morning, afternoon, or evening?
And which phrase from today's video did you like the most?
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Versa.
Because here we don't just learn English.
We live it.